2026-27 అకాడమిక్ ఇయర్ కి అడ్మిషన్స్ ని ఆహ్వానిస్తుంది పల్లవి ఇంజనీరింగ్ కాలేజ్. నాక్ ఏ గ్రేడ్ గుర్తింపు, అత్యాధునిక మౌలిక సదుపాయాలు, 91% పైగా ప్లేస్మెంట్ సక్సెస్ రేట్ తో టాప్ ఎంఎన్సీ కంపెనీలో ఉద్యోగ అవకాశం. అడ్మిషన్ల కోసం 9247528134 9247528135 నంబర్స్ ని ఈ రోజే సంప్రదించండి.
వెల్కమ్ టు పల్లవి టీవీ. ప్రస్తుతం మనం ప్రెస్ క్లబ్లో ఉన్నాం. ప్రెస్ క్లబ్లో ఈరోజు పురుష్ ఆయోగ్ అనే ఎన్జిఓ సంస్థ నుంచి బర్కా మేడం అనేవారు ఇక్కడికి వచ్చి మిస్యూజ్ ఆఫ్ పోక్సో యాక్ట్ ఎట్లా మిస్యూజ్ అవుతుంది దేశవ్యాప్తంగా అనే దాని మీద మాట్లాడారు. అట్లాగే కేంద్ర మంత్రి బండి సంజయ్ కుమారుడు ఎవరైతే ఉన్నారో భగీరథ్, దానికి సంబంధించి ఆయన మీద నమోదైన కేసుకు సంబంధించి కూడా కొన్ని అంశాలను ప్రస్తావించారు. మేడంతో మాట్లాడదాం అసలు ఏంటి అనేది. మేడం నమస్తే జీ. సో డూ యూ ఫైండ్ ఎనీ అబ్జర్వేషన్ ఓవర్ పోక్సో యాక్ట్ విచ్ ఈజ్ ఫైల్డ్ ఆన్ బండి సంజయ్ सन भगीरथ?
See, मैं यहाँ पर you want me to speak in English? Sorry. I came to Hyderabad because when I saw this case and it was a POCSO case, and I have been working on many other POCSO cases, and I've always highlighted that this act is misuse. And I'm not the only person who's highlighted. Supreme Court, the Allahabad High Court, there are many other courts who have rightly pointed out the misuse of this act, and it is a very sensitive issue. The family gets devastated, and the boys in every such cases, POCSO cases, the boy's family is targeted, they are branded criminals, they are defamed. Same is happening in this case. But when I saw the girl's FIR, the complaint she filed, the observations which were made by me are that there were contradictory statements, and the first thing which comes to my mind is that this is a romantic relationship which turned sour. See, I am a woman. If some man or boy molests me or rapes me or even says harsh words, I'm using this also, I will never meet that man. Why will I meet him again and again and again? If he's sexually abusing me, will I meet? Why will I take gifts from him? Why will I go to the cafes?
They are traveling also.
Yeah, they travel to temples. Why are we traveling to temples? Why are we going to... And at places, she says that he promised to marry. So I don't know the truth. The courts have to decide. The police has to do the proper investigation, which we are demanding. But even if there is promise of marriage and if it is broken, even if it is, so will you tarnish the whole family's image? Why only this time? Why did you choose this? Why were you silent for so many years? I mean months. Why did you use this time? Why are you doing this?
So do you find any cases which is same as Bhagirath case in all over India, any state, or you are been working in from 7 years now in your NGO? Do you find any this type of cases?
Yeah, there are many different. I have worked on many other cases also where romantic relationship turns sour and they file POCSO cases, and it is very easy because as soon as you file a POCSO case, the boy is arrested immediately, and this is not a bailable. So this is not a bailable section, so the whole family is under threat, and this is how they make illegal demands. They extract money, blackmailing, extortion. This goes hand in hand. And here my only demand, I would like to tell you the demands of Purush Ayog also, since you asked me that I've been working. So here in this particular case, lie detector test, brain mapping test, narco test, age detecting test, every test. See, I have seen the girls' videos. We cannot, if there are videos which no sanskari family can make such videos, sanskari girl family can make such videos, neither no family will let her daughter go and sleep with a person who is sexually abusing your daughter. Tell me, if you have a daughter, will you ask your daughter to go again and again? And then she's saying that he forced me to drink Brisa, he forced me to sleep for 2 days. Can anybody on earth force you to sleep for 2 days if you're not willing? So it was all consensual. Secondly, 1 Brisa, nothing happens. 2 Brisa, nothing happens. 3 Brisa, nothing happens. Even if you have 10 Brisas, you don't get intoxicated. Which Brisa did she drink? Ask her to come and sit with me and drink one brisa and two brisa and get intoxicated, and then she's saying whatever in the FIR. So she has to rethink, and she has to tell us the larger conspiracy. Who all are working behind this conspiracy? This is a politically motivated case. Who all are behind it? We should know. The nation wants to know why it is that the rajnitik rotiयां क्यों सेकी जा रही हैं. That is the main point. दूध का दूध, पानी का पानी. Truth should come out ASAP. Enough of media trial. Let the court trial happen ASAP, and I have full belief in the judiciary. We will get to know the truth ASAP. Stop branding young boys, molesters, rapists. Stop branding the family also. Don't do this, because sabka number aayega. Today you are utilizing, you are doing this, you are using this as political revenge. Next you can be in the line, so you'll have to suffer. Karma pays. Remember, this is for those who are doing this, who are aggravating this. This is for them. Mind you.
Since a person accused under the POCSO Act faces immediate social stigma.
Yeah.
So how can the constitutional right to presumption of innocence be protected until the investigation is completed?
The damage is done. Media has branded all the. I really pray that media trial should not happen. Enough of it. I've been saying this repeatedly from 10 years. Stop media trial. Just like we don't disclose the identity of the girls, we should not disclose the identity of the boys and the boys' family also. Secondly, in this case, I will rightly point out, if whatever has happened is happened between the someone's sons and someone's daughter, why should the father, Sanjay Bandi, has been pulled into all this? What is his? What wrong has he done? Why is he being pulled? This is a larger question. So media should stop doing media trial and let courts do the trial and come up with the verdict, and the nation is waiting for it. And there are many, many cases of misuse of POCSO, and the courts are very worried about it. Soon we need some change in this act.
సో ఇది మొత్తానికి ఏదైతే కేసు ఉందో ప్యూర్ అండ్ ఫేర్ ఇన్వెస్టిగేషన్ జరగాలి. ఇందులో దూద్ కా దూద్, పానీ కా పానీ అన్నీ బయటపడాలి. సో బయటపడే వరకు, ఇన్వెస్టిగేషన్ పూర్తయ్యే వరకు, కోర్టు జడ్జిమెంట్ ఇచ్చే వరకు మీడియా సైమల్టేనియస్గా ట్రయల్ చేయొద్దు. మీడియా విచారణ చేసి ఒకరిని నిందితులుగా, దోషులుగా చిత్రీకరించే ప్రయత్నం చేయొద్దు అని ఆమె చెప్తా ఉన్నారు. కెమెరా పర్సన్ మోహిత్తో కరుణాకర్, ప్రెస్ క్లబ్ నుంచి.